So we've got a new project for today. This isn't for the Evo, but it's for the GC model Impreza gas tank. So we're gonna be making a carbon Kevlar fuel tank protector. So I'm just gonna add a flange. This will be the mold, and I'll just pull the part straight from here. So this is the process. Using a bigger hammer and a piece of wood, you're really able to flatten out this flange relatively easily. Now I've got a fine-tuning hammer and dolly that'll go and get rid of some of these smaller kinks. The reason to flatten this flange out is I'll be welding a 4-inch strip all the way around. So then the vacuum bag will have something to seal to, and it also allows for more leverage when popping it out of the mold. Now I have the tank back home. I'm just gonna wipe it down, clean the rest of it up, hit some areas with Scotch-Brite, and just kind of try and rough up this surface so the gel coat sticks to it. All right, so here's coat number 1. Using a foam roller really did help. It allowed it to be applied a lot more evenly. I was able to go over it. There's not a ton of sanding cleanup. Obviously it will have to get sanded, but so probably do 5 or 6 more coats, but right now it's 107, so I'm just gonna let this bake. After I let the gel coat cure for a few days, started the long and tedious process of sanding, starting off with 200 grit, 400, 600, all the way to 800, and that was a good enough finish to start the part making process.